Man. I really hate all the Bowser Juniors falling in love with their pom-poms. My evil Leafy friends got grounded just because they wouldn't leave them alone. But what should I do to them? I know. I will go to nice Bowser Jr.'s house and just ruin their fun. Ha 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 ha.
At Ice Bowser Jr.'s house.
Wow, Ice Bowser Jr. That was the greatest day I ever had.
I know, love. I also had a good time.
First, we went to the mall together, and we went to go look at the sunset, and it looks so pretty.
Yes. I also enjoyed going out with you. I love you.
I love you too.
Ice Pom Pom. Are you okay?
Yes. I just feel really tired.
Do you want to take a nap with me so you can feel more comfortable?
Yes.
30 minutes later.
All right. I now made it to his house. Now let's go and bother them. Wow. They're actually sleeping. Hey. I got an idea. I have this air horn so I can wake them up. That's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna wake them up with this air horn. It'll be so funny. On 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What the heck was that, Ice Pom Pom?
I have no idea.
Ha 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 ha. I woke you two up because you and your friends got my evil Leafy friends into trouble.
Oh
Evil Cyborg Leafy. How dare you wake me and Ice Bowser Jr. up with an air horn? That's it. We're calling Cyborg Leafy about this.
Now get out of my house right now or we call Cyborg Leafy. Hello? Is this Cyborg Leafy? Good. Your evil clone woke me and my girlfriend up from our nap by scaring us with an air horn. Can you ground her, please? Okay. Thanks. Bye.
I'm really sorry about that. Do you still feel tired?
Yes. Can we go back to sleep?
Okay. Let's go back to sleep and snuggle together. I love you so much, sweetie.
I love you too, my love.
At Evil Cyborg Leafy's house.
Evil Cyborg Leafy. How dare you wake up Ice Bowser Jr. and Ice Pom Pom with an air horn while they're sleeping. You know, waking someone up with an air horn is really rude and undesirable. That's it. You're grounded for 245 centuries. Go to your room right now, or you'll be shot in North Korea.